Happy Monday, everyone, and let's check on what the weather has in store for the rest of your day. We have here a cold front which is going to introduce rainy weather into the southwest coastline and the adjacent interior. And as that cold front continues to move eastwards, we are going to see cloud building up over the southwestern parts of the country. At the same time, rain and thunder showers are forecast for the eastern provinces, pushing down into KwaZulu-Natal and spilling into the easternmost parts of the Eastern Cape. In the meantime, it's going to stay mostly sunny and hot over western South Africa. So you can expect up to a 40% chance of rain and thunder showers this Monday, all the way from Limpopo through Mpumalanga into KwaZulu-Natal and the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape. A 40% chance of rain is also forecast over parts of the southwest coastline. The South African Weather Service is still maintaining a warning for high fire danger. We could still see runaway fires over the eastern parts of the Northern Cape and around the central Karoo of the Western Cape. It's going to be pretty hot over these parts of South Africa, with highs staying in the mid-30s for Upington and Kimberley. 33 for the high in DR as well as Bloemfontein, slightly cooler in Gauteng, Joburg warming up to 29, 32 in Pretoria, 31 for the highs in Pietermaritzburg and Richards Bay. Durban reaches a hot 29, slightly cooler as we go towards East London, Bishop and Port Elizabeth, and a warm 25 is forecast for the mother city. Let's check on what's happening around the coastal areas. Great beach conditions will continue along much of the west coast. However, we are expecting unfavorable coastal conditions around Langaban, where light rain is expected. Moderate winds are forecast along much of the west coast. Along the southwest coastline, we are also expecting poor beach conditions. It's also going to be cloudy with light rain here, and northwesterly airflow is forecast throughout your day. And for the waters, swell heights will average around 3 meters. Further east along the south coast, we are also expecting swell heights to average around 3 meters. Mostly an onshore wind is expected here. The winds are going to be rather fresh to strong around Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth, as well as around Muscle Bay. Lastly, along the east coast, it's going to be mostly cloudy with light rain as well along much of the east coast. So poor beach conditions are forecast from the Wild Coast through Durban into Richards Bay. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Have a great one.